Get ready to dive into our exciting multiplication bingo challenge, an educational gem designed to turbocharge your students' math prowess. So, what's packed into this treasure trove? 90 bingo cards featuring divisors ranging from 1 to a whopping 120, all neatly tucked away in a handy 15-page PDF. Plus, you'll harness the power of a high-octane PowerPoint presentation that effortlessly conjures up random multiplications. Prepare to be dazzled by multiplications presented in 5 vibrant colors. Red for column B, yellow for column I, green for column N, blue for column G, purple for column O. But that's not all. With just a click, our PowerPoint wizardry conjures up times tables from 1 to 12. Poof! And when it's time to clear the slate, a simple tap on the X makes those times tables vanish, leaving room for agile and personalized learning. So, who's this enchanted resource for? For primary education, grades 3 to 6, it's the ultimate multiplication assistant, helping students firm up their skills. In secondary education, grades 7 to 9, it's a trusted sidekick for revisiting and mastering multiplication and times tables in math classes. In special education, this versatile tool transforms into a learning ally, catering to the unique needs of students with disabilities, making multiplication practice visually captivating. For homeschooling heroes, parents on the homeschooling journey, rejoice. This resource is a treasure chest for reinforcing your children's math skills. We're on a mission to turn math practice into an exhilarating adventure. Watch as your students eagerly hone their math skills. Now, gear up for an educational adventure like no other. With our Multiplication Bingo Challenge, your students will not only conquer math but also revel in the process. Grab this valuable resource today.